How's it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. Today we got Instagram car fails, and it just makes my day every morning. When I get up on Instagram and I look at the Explore page and I see dumb people do dumb things to their car, it's hilarious. So also, just a quick little announcement: while my car is in the shop, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But while my car is in the shop, if you guys have any recommendations or any ideas that you want me to do, just like, it doesn't have to be car related. You could ask me to do something a little bit different if you want, like if you want me to look at something or review something. I mean, just go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think it would be entertaining for me to do. Like I said, doesn't have to be car related. Just go ahead and drop a comment. Back to the video. We got a few clips today. Let's just dive right in. First up, we got this beautiful car, and sadly, he is stuck on some paint. It's just sad to see such a beautiful car get stuck on some paint. I mean, this paint is probably 1 millimeter like thick, maybe 2 at most. I don't know if it's a heavy duty paint, but it's stuck on the paint, and it's tragic to see. There's no incline. I don't see any incline. It's sad to see it stuck on the paint. These guys are trying their hardest to get their friend unstuck, and he's not moving anywhere. He's stuck. So, and before you go down there and fucking comment, I know he's stuck up here, okay? Jesus. But yeah, it's tragic to see. So let's move on. Alright, this thumbnail already hurts. Let's just dive right in. So Peppa Pig here has seen some better days. She just got her face ripped off by a fucking little incline of a driveway. Everyone just saw. It's just... is it worth it? Like, I mean, like, really? Like, I mean, I'm not trying to steal the caption or anything like that, but is it really worth it? Every time you go down a driveway, you have to re-fucking apply your bumper, you have to re-patch it, or you have to re-zip tie it back together, and it's just like, come on, man. Just raise it like an inch or two. Go get some bags or something so you can go down driveways. Super deep dish wheels, super camber. Oh man, this is just like, it's such a nice car too. I love WRXs, man. They're fun cars. They're really nice performance cars. You can stance them out still and make them look good, but like, oh my god, it just hurts. It hurts me, and I just feel bad for this guy. I know he doesn't care, probably, because he's probably used to it, but I just feel bad. Alright, let's move on. So you guys have probably already seen this clip already. It's nothing new. I've had a few of you send it to me. Super satisfying. But yeah, the new Fortnite update, man, it's really really good looking. I mean, it looks really realistic. You know, he's getting materials from the cars and stuff. It's really cool and all. He obviously has the default pickaxe and stuff like that, but no, I mean, seriously, he hit that like perfectly, like exactly where the seam was, and it just came right off, and that's just, I don't know, it's satisfying. Getting rid of that rice real quick. So everything looks professionally done. It's very outdated and probably very I wonder what the front looks like, but it's just satisfying to see. 4 hits and that was it. And the wheels, I mean, I would have took the axe to them too. Those are pretty hideous wheels for that really out there body kit, but you guys have seen that clip. I don't need to really play it anymore. Let's move on. Oh, we got another guy stuck. Maybe he upgraded to a what is this, an FRS of some sort, a GT86. Maybe he upgraded. Oh, and he's still stuck. He's stuck on water. So I don't know if this guy thought he had a Dodge Challenger or something like that, or a Dodge Charger, but I mean, it's not a boat, obviously, and he found that out today. He got stuck on a puddle, and it's just, again, he's probably ripping up his bumper and shit. The wheels are pretty cool looking, I'm not gonna lie. They're kind of out there, but getting stuck everywhere, man. Get all-wheel drive if you're gonna like lower your car like this. You won't get stuck. But again, really short clip. Sad to see people getting stuck on water. Buy a Dodge Challenger and you'll get over the puddle like nothing. I guarantee it, man. And okay, I think this is a Mustang fail. Just sit back and watch. Okay, so I mean, this is some graphic content, man. I don't know if I can show this without getting demonetized. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube. But we got what looks like a 09 GT500 in like that dark gray black, maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe he has a carbon fiber hood. I don't know. It's hard to see. This video is kind of pixelated, but we got an 09 GT500, and it looks like a white S550 with some nice black wheels, and they both hit this guy. It's just sad to see. They both hit him, and they're both running, and it's ridiculous. He's obviously upset. He doesn't know what happened, and then another Mustang comes around the corner. This must be the new concept for the 4-door one. And he just comes around the corner and then just goes on his merry way. Doesn't help him up, doesn't do anything. I mean, it's just hit and runs, man. It's bad. I mean, look at that. 2 Mustangs. As a Mustang driver, I mean, it's just horrible to see this. I feel bad. This is a bad like representation of the Mustang community. We're not all like this. We all don't just hit and run like this. And I mean, those are some good looking Mustangs though. I mean, that body is, that's some really clean stuff. Both of their wheel setups are very similar though. They're both black. I can't really tell the difference, but they're very nice wheels, man. Very nice looking cars. I feel bad for this guy. Let's move on. Okay, so another guy's stuck. This is a common theme, it looks like. Lowered cars are getting stuck everywhere. Another guy's stuck. Let's see what this guy's stuck on. So there's no audio here, so I'll just dub it over with some dubstep. And yeah, see, so he's stuck on a speed bump. He has 2 different wheels. He is very slammed, so he's static. It looks like he doesn't have bags or anything like that. And it's just, Jesus, like, you know you're slammed, and you go over a dumb speed bump. Just go around it, go fucking anywhere, just you know, lift up your car a little, or afford some bags if you want to have that slammed look. It's just, I don't get why people do this, man. It's just, again, ruins the practicality of the car. You know, you might say it looks cool, yeah, get some bags then and have it look cool when it's not moving. When you're trying to go places, it's just an inconvenience. It's just, I don't know, it's fun to laugh at these people. I'm sorry. Let's move on. Another clip you guys have probably seen. It's a little bit of an older clip. No audio again, so I'll just talk over it. Oh, he hit something. Wonder what he hit. His car's fine, though. He doesn't care. It's a work truck, it looks like. He's just going to go on his merry way. And his car's on his period. So, this is a bad design. I mean, I feel like maybe, did it go green? Did he just guess? Didn't go green. Yeah, he hit it when it was red. And then it went green. So, it was his fault. He's a dumbass. And he just fucked up that engine. Oil pan is done. Can we get a rip in the chat for that oil pan? It's just, that's a stupid design too. I feel like they should have the little clothes hanger or the clothesline thing where, I mean, I know it's not actually clothesline, but it'll clothesline people. You know what I'm talking about? The little choppy shit. I don't know. Well, wherever this is at, this is probably in another country. Wherever it's at, they probably learned their lesson now. Or this guy at least is a dumbass, and he probably learned his lesson. But it's just, again, it's sad to see. Another car gets abused. This one's not lowered, though. It might be. Maybe that's what happened. Maybe it was all the way down and he still scraped. I'm not sure. We can't tell from this angle. We don't know the facts. Let's move on. Dumbass of the day award goes to this feller right here. You'll see. Instant regret, man. Instant regret. He's trying to open up his fucking, he's trying to open up his hatch. He knows he's a dumbass. He's got a ladder on the roof and it just goes straight through the window. So, my brother has done something similar to this. He had a drop top, and he was trying to put it back and like close it, but he had stuff. I think he had a skateboard in the little compartment where it's actually supposed to like sit. And he opened it and it shattered, and then he knew instantly, like, fuck me in the ass. So again, dumbass of the day. I mean, he could see through the fucking window right there, right? I mean, he's like eye level with it. He's a pretty tall guy, but I mean, like, he should be able to see the ladder. And yeah, he broke the window. So a dumbass of the day goes to this guy. He realized it right after. Instant regret. And yeah, it's a shame. This is the last clip. If you think you're having a bad day, your day isn't going as bad as this guy's. No audio again, sorry to say, but I'll just put some music. I don't want to sing again. So I'm gonna assume he was okay because this isn't like a graphic clip or anything like that. This is ad friendly, I think. And he just was trying to go camping. He got his Dodge Ram and he rammed the fuck out of this this overhang for a what looks like gas station, maybe a fill up station. I'm not sure, but yeah. And I mean, that looks kind of painful. Not sure if he's okay. I think he is. I think that's what the ad gods are saying, that he is okay, so I can be monetized. But yeah, I mean, if you think you're having a shitty day, this guy's whole weekend and probably maybe the rest of his life just got ruined or cut short. I'm not sure. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna include this. I might blur it out or something because, again, I'm not sure if it's ad friendly. I'll probably just blur it out just to be safe. But yeah, I mean, it's just kind of bad. He got kind of fucked right there. Got sandwiched. Like I said, I'm sure he's okay. I don't think they'd show this clip on Instagram and just fucking post it all casually if he wasn't okay. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you have any ideas of different shit I can do while my car's in the shop. I kind of want to see if I can expand, maybe do something not super car related. Let me know if you want me to look at certain things or review certain things. I mean, just let me know down in the comments. If you're not a member of the Peacock Fuck and you want to become one, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can flock to the videos. I just want to take a quick moment to say thank you, guys. Again, we've grown a lot in the last couple months. I mean, I got my first 1,000 subscribers back in July, and now it is December, and I have, what, 32,000 now. So I just want to take a quick moment and say thank you guys for all of the support. For those of you that like understand like that I'm not like a very serious guy when I make these videos and stuff like that, thank you guys so much. Obviously I couldn't do this without you guys, and it's so great to interact with you guys like on Instagram and on Snapchat and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much. I have big plans for the Mustang. Like I said, if you haven't seen that, go check it out. I got a lot of stuff coming. Anyway, until next time, see ya.